Hello friends, you're on the Home Tips channel, and in this video I'll show you how to remove rust stains from clothes at home. Take 2 liters of water, the water temperature should be 80 degrees Celsius, and 50 grams of citric acid. Mix well so that the citric acid is completely dissolved. Now, in the resulting solution, you need to soak the scene with a rusty stain. When the water has cooled down a bit, wash the rusty stain on the clothes with your hands. Here is my result after one soak in a solution of citric acid. To completely get rid of a rusty stain on clothes, you need to heat this solution. Soak the rust-stained clothing in the solution again. And when the water cools, wash the stain with your hands. Heat the citric acid solution and soak the clothes in it as many times as necessary until the rust stain is completely removed from the clothes. After that, wash the clothes with detergent by hand or in the washing machine. So friends, as you can see, I managed to remove rust stains from clothes. This is really a very simple and cheap way to remove rust. If you liked the advice, don't forget to give a thumbs up under the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.